Welcome back to the cordless vacuum guide, and in this video, I'll share the 4 easy steps in changing the Dyson V6 battery. What I have here is a V6 mattress, which is one of the first cordless vacuums I purchased, and it's still working after all these years. You could see the stains and cracks, but it's still purring along. Before you start, make sure to have a Phillips screwdriver on hand, like this one that will fit the screws. Using a wrong size screwdriver may damage the bolt and strip it, so we don't want that headache. I'll link to this one down below if you're interested. The first step is to remove the dustbin container by pushing this red lever. When the bottom door opens, continue pushing on the red lever to remove the container. Once it's out, you can see the first bolt you'll need to remove right here. A second bolt is behind the handle. Once you take these screws out, slide down the battery and put the new one in. Test the battery to see if it works before going to the next step, so you don't waste time removing screws in case it doesn't work. Reattach the screws in the dustbin container and you're done. Your Dyson V6 is ready to go. If this video has been helpful to you, like, subscribe, and tap on the bell icon for more how-to videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.